Trial
last operating
version.
systems we defined. We keep going over the same location. The
Trial version.
next model or the next distribution of the operating systems is the one dedicated
Trial
to
version.
the Apple devices, Apple hardware, Apple platform, which is
Trial
for the
version.
let's say for the smartphones from the Macintosh, from the Apple, sorry, the iOS
Trial version.
list of operating systems, series of operating systems. At the date of the book,
Trial
actually,
version.
the latest version available in the market was the iOS 7. At the date
Trial
of the
version.
book, when the book has been actually written. This iOS actually it
Trial version.
100% competes
Trial
and
version.
present a high performance capabilities when compared
Trial
to other
version.
operating systems. It supports the multitasking. We know the
Trial
multitasking
version.
is you can open more than one application and you can swap in between.
Trial version.
You close one, you open the other. You reduce one and you open the other, and so on. So this is the
Trial
multitasking.
version.
It has other software applications that already made actually available
Trial
with the operating
version.
system. Once you use the operating system, it would actually provide you
Trial version.
a group of software applications for your need.
Trial version.
Amongst of them, the utilities for accessing the internet, accessing the network,
Trial version.
the assistant, self-assistant. Siri actually is a smart
Trial version.
assistant available inside the device. It helps you to
Trial
follow
version.
your voice instructions. And that actually utilities
Trial
that they are
version.
actually specific to this iOS, to this list of
Trial
iOSs.
version. Trial version.
A preview of an installed desktop of an
Trial
iOS.
version.
The other
Trial version.
mobile devices, operating systems, we manifest to
Trial version.
other commercialized operating systems. The BlackBerry
Trial
Playbook
version.
OS. It is a dedicated OS
Trial
to the
version.
devices manufactured by the BlackBerry company. It is nominated the Playbook.
Trial version.
Playbook OS. It is a BlackBerry OS
Trial
dedicated
version.
specifically to this brand of mobile devices.
Trial
Also, it
version.
is smart enough to consider it competing in the market and presenting,
Trial version.
let's say, high performance utilities that would help you reach your
Trial
services
version.
and deliver and actually get your services easily.
Trial version.
Linux and Unix, they are also exploring the field of
Trial
the mobile
version.
environment, and they are providing operating systems that they run on smart
Trial
devices or
version.
mobile devices, like the Ubuntu, like the
Trial version.
WebOS. They are on the basis of the Linux only. And the Linux, remember that it is on the
Trial
basis of
version.
the Unix. So those operating systems here, they are having
Trial version.
the specificities of the Unix at the end of the day.
Trial
Free and
version.
open source. We talk
Trial
about
version.
mobile. When you say actually the Ubuntu is recognized to be actually a desktop
Trial
operating
version.
system. And it is GUI nowadays in the current versions. Yet
Trial version.
it is compatible with a mobile list of mobile devices, commercialized mobile devices.
Trial version.
When you say commercialized, actually we talk about the devices available on the
Trial
market.
version.
You can buy.
Trial version.
What we presented so far, actually, it is the list of the distributions and versions
Trial
of
version.
operating systems commercialized to the public, the community.
Trial version.
You find them available on the market for your personal purposes. You may buy any.
Trial
If you
version.
like, and whenever you need any, you'll find it. Yet, that is not
Trial
enough.
version.
That is not all what the technology has brought to us. The
Trial
operating
version.
systems, there are a list of operating systems that we are not utilizing for our personal uses.
Trial version.
We see actually dedicated systems that they need.
Trial version.
Dedicated operating systems. Yeah, operating
Trial
systems,
version.
they are actually implemented for a specific type of system.
Trial version.
Yeah. So to serve a certain business, there is an
Trial
operating system
version.
for that. So this is not to be commercialized. Actually, it is for a dedicated activity.
Trial version.
Usually we talk about an enormous number of
Trial version.
let's say units to control or activities to do.
Trial version.
Huge actually the size of business to do or the activity to do or the work to
Trial
do.
version.
It is not to be controlled by a personal computer or personal operating system.
Trial version.
So last we talk about a specific operating system dedicated to a specific type of
Trial
system.
version.
An example, ZOS, it is an operating system that the
Trial
IBM,
version.
International Business Machine Company, has designated for its
Trial version.
mainframes. Mainframe, actually, it is nominated as
Trial
an
version.
iron box. It is sort of
Trial
a
version.
huge computer that gives the chance to the end users to get connected to
Trial
it
version.
and work from away, actually remotely on this frame
Trial
only.
version.
I give an example. Just I'll show you one graph of the
Trial
mainframes.
version.
See here, this is actually a mainframe. This is the mainframe.
Trial version.
This is one mainframe. This box, this full actually machine here.
Trial version.
See the size compared to a human being. See the size here. Actually, it's an enormous size. It's just one.
Trial
It's just
version.
one mainframe. It helps users to get connected to,
Trial version.
and they work there inside. They need only a keyboard and an input device
Trial
and an
version.
output device. That's it. Input and output. And
Trial
these will
version.
this actually Judgel box will take care of the processing and
Trial
the processing
version.
activity or is remotely.
Trial version.
Windows and
Trial
Linux
version.
and Unix, actually, they are also exploring the market of the dedicated businesses
Trial
and
version.
dedicated computers and dedicated systems. We find actually the mainframes
Trial version.
that they are ruled by Windows and Unix-based operating systems. So we'll find supercomputers. Actually,
Trial
supercomputers, they
version.
are also sort of huge computers, but they have the capability to
Trial version.
do faster processing tasks. When we say fast, it's an enormous
Trial version.
speed of processing due to the
Trial version.
high potential processors they are equipped with. The processor they are
Trial
equipped with,
version.
they are having the capability to process a huge number of
Trial
computations
version.
or computer tasks
Trial version.
compared to a normal computer or even a mainframe supercomputer
Trial
or
version.
supercalculator.
Trial version.
Conventional operating systems, actually, this is by request.
Trial version.
Another type of operating systems that the companies may
Trial
go
version.
after by requesting a developer or provider to deliver it.
Trial version.
Specifically, it is by convention. So
Trial version.
a conventional operating system is another dedicated. It's another kind of a dedicated and
Trial
designated
version.
operating system to work on a specific type of system also. But the actually is by
Trial
prior.
version.
There have to be a convention in between the requester and the
Trial version.
provider, the company that would implement the
Trial version.
operating system. The
Trial
activities that actually, when we talk about the mainframe or the supercomputer,
Trial version.
when we say that the supercomputer is equipped with a high potential
Trial version.
CPUs, a high potential processors, what does it mean? Are we
Trial
just
version.
computing the time? For what purpose? There are reasons behind, but
Trial
we
version.
need such a fast processing capabilities to deliver the
Trial
required
version.
services. Sometimes you don't talk about quality, but you talk
Trial
only to
version.
deliver a service. And another times you may talk about
Trial version.
qualitative services. In both scenarios, supercomputers
Trial
or
version.
supercalculators, they have tasks to do. Without those
Trial version.
supercomputers, we will not be able to deliver the service as it has to be.
Trial version.
An example of a service that has to be done based on a supercomputer, the weather forecasting. The weather forecasting actually is a process that we know it, and it's context that we are habituated to it, but we don't know the background, how it is happening. Because actually to forecast weather based on a huge number of inputs, it is not an easy task.
Trial version.
It is not something actually to be calculated by a simple computer. No, it needs
trial version.
Super calculators with super CPUs. Otherwise, it will fail. The process will not be actually accurate as it has to be, because such a field needs the accuracy.
Trial version.
Those are examples. Those are examples of supercomputers.
Trial version.
Just to bring to your attention, a CPU and a supercomputer might reach, and actually these are the date of the writer of this book. 750 teraflops. This is a speed that it is more than extremely high. Actually, the normal computer it goes at the gigahertz. This is gigahertz by gigahertz by gigahertz.
Trial version.
And we have 750 gigahertz by gigahertz by gigahertz. يعني 750
trial version
multiplied by 1024 by 1024 by 1024 3 times instructions per second.
Trial version.
Teraflops. It is a number that normal CPU cannot actually procure, cannot guarantee.
Trial version.
Thus we talk about supercomputer. This word super here
trial version
has a meaning.
Trial version.
And see, we said that the weather forecasting is a sensitive field of activity and needs specific and dedicated computers to act.
Trial
Such
version.
supercomputers can do multi-forecasting.
Trial version.
Just one forecasting needs an accuracy and needs 100% actually
trial version
potential computer. But such a computer can do more than one
trial version.
Forecasting means they are capable of doing such sensitive
trial version
activities. And this number of processing,
trial
this
version.
quantity of processing, this huge number of processing,
trial version.
cause a huge number, a huge amount of heat,
trial version.
temperature to be elevated inside the device. Actually, we know that the normal computers, the habitual computers, they are equipped with fans to just cool up the case.
Version.
The fan that it is available in the power supply or on top of the CPU. We saw that in the unit number 1. Those fans, they are used for cooling the box, the CPU,
the main case.
Here, in a supercomputer, a fan will not be enough. It will not be able to cool the environment. Water is used for cooling such a device. Yes, they are using water and specific tubes to go through the devices to take up the heat away.
Trial version.
Yes, scenario like that.
Trial version.
Any questions, please, so far?
Trial version. Trial version.
Not
Okay, continue. Great. Great.
Trial version.
The second part of this. Okay.
Trial
Okay. No.
version.
Great. The second part of this actually
Trial
unit
version.
is utility software, utility program, or software
Trial
applications.
version.
I repeat, utility programs, utility software,
Trial version.
or software applications. They are all actually
Trial version.
specified category of utilities that they actually give
Trial version.
us as users the help to accomplish a task
Trial version.
within the computer. Means
Trial
without the
version.
utility programs, you not be able to accomplish whatever you are
Trial
required to
version.
do within the computer. You have a computer, okay?
Trial version.
But if you do not have utility program inside the computer, you will not be
Trial
able
version.
to do your task, whatever the task is. You want to write a
Trial
text
version.
without the Microsoft Word or any similar text editor,
Trial
you
version.
will not be able to write a text. For sure, this is actually guaranteed, and this is actually the
Trial
case.
version.
So at the end of the day, the utility programs, they are software that they are actually your
Trial version.
friend inside the computer. And without them,
Trial
a task
version.
cannot be accomplished. Whatever the potential of the operating system you have, even
Trial
if you
version.
install a very late operating system, means the
Trial version.
latest in implementation, means it is equipped with the high technology
Trial
features,
version.
but it cannot do anything because the utility program to do a task that you require is not
Trial
available.
version.
So full stop. On top of the operating system,
Trial
there
version.
have to be utility programs to help you do whatever you
Trial
want inside the
version.
computer. Don't say I have a high potential computer, very
Trial
expensive,
version.
equipped with a very late, actually, and the latest technology
Trial
in the
version.
operating system. So I'm able to do everything. No, you
Trial
have to talk
version.
about utility programs on top of all to be able
Trial
to
version.
accomplish your tasks. Example of utility programs here.
Trial version.
Actually, talk about the security tools, like the one here actually,
Trial version.
the antivirus. This is one of the
Trial version.
yeah, it is a utility program that helps us to do
Trial
security tasks, to
version.
scan if there is any malware inside the computer, if there is any corrupted
Trial version.
files or list of files, he will try to fix, or he will declare at least, and so on.
Trial version.
There are utilities
Trial version.
in plural built in
Trial version.
to the operating system. Means once you have an operating system, there are
Trial
already
version.
some utilities. They are equipped, built in already inside the
Trial
operating system.
version.
If you need them as a user, you can utilize them.
Trial version.
So the operating system, it will not come without
Trial version.
any functionality. You know, it will have the least number of functionalities already
Trial
supported
version.
and compatible with the operating system. So you can use them. We give the example of the,
Trial
for
version.
example, Microsoft-based operating systems, the Windows operating systems.
Trial
They are all
version.
equipped with the Notepad. Once you install the operating system, you will find the Notepad already available.
Trial version.
It's a sort of a text editor. So this is one of the utilities that you can use.
Trial
Also,
version.
the image viewer or the paint, they are all utilities
Trial
that
version.
they are already available inside the Microsoft Windows list of operating
Trial
systems.
version.
You just have to have the operating systems, one of the operating
Trial
systems inside the
version.
device. Then you'll find those built-in utilities already there.
Trial
If you need
version.
them, you can use them.
Trial version.
Those are actually the built-in. The standalone
Trial
utilities,
version.
they actually are the utilities that you may refer to most needed also.
Trial
Because
version.
if you talk about the text editors, it means you are
Trial
going to
version.
format the text, and for example, you are going to write a letter, and the letter has to have
Trial
some specific
version.
fonts and specific sizes and specific positioning and colors and
Trial
so on.
version.
You'll not be fluent enough
Trial version.
writing such a letter using a notepad. So you have to
Trial
have
version.
a dedicated text editor, like the Microsoft Word, for example,
Trial version.
to do your task. This is actually a standalone utility.
Trial
This is a
version.
standalone application, standalone software application. So
Trial
whether
version.
this or that, based on the function that the utility gives,
Trial
you
version.
can decide either whether you install or not. Remember
Trial version.
that you can say, for example, I'm going to install everything. No, remember that they
Trial
are actually
version.
licensed. You have to ask for permission. So you cannot install anything.
Trial
You
version.
have to ask permission, and you have to pay money, and you have to have the license validated
Trial
in order
version.
to install the software inside your computer. If you don't do, you
Trial
are in a
version.
security risk. What does it mean? You may cause your computer to corrupt.
Trial version.
For example, if we give the example of the Microsoft Word, or
Trial
the list
version.
of Microsoft Office pack, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and
Trial
the
version.
other tools in the same pack. If you install them free,
Trial version.
actually the list, one pack for a commercial use, it costs
Trial
more than
version.
300 riyals. One to install the Office, Word, and
Trial
PowerPoint, and
version.
Publisher, and InfoPath, and Excel. You have to pay
Trial
300
version.
riyals and more to install them on your computer for commercial use.
Trial
Do you
version.
expect to get it free? Actually, you can in the potential, but this is
Trial version.
unethical. And if you get them free, they have to be actually injected with viruses
Trial version.
and malware. And this is what would cause
Trial version.
a corruption to your system and to your environment, to your computer
Trial
at the end of the
version.
day. So you have to go with the intact things.
Trial
The
version.
standalone utilities, once you need only, you go for them. So if I ask you a question in a
Trial
quiz,
version.
standalone applications, whatever you need, we install.
Trial version.
True. Standalone applications are the early age.
Trial
You buy your
version.
computer, you install, you search the internet, you surf, and you install. Download and
Trial
install.
version.
No, absolutely not.
Trial version. Trial
Okay.
version.
File management and the file related programs or
Trial
utilities or
version.
software. Here we talk about file. Actually, it's a resource.
Trial
Word
version.
file, Excel file, PowerPoint, an image, a video, an audio.
Trial version.
What is the management of all those variety of files?
Trial
We
version.
talk about storage,
Trial version.
naming, sharing,
Trial
copying,
version.
creating folders and directories and subdividing their locations,
Trial version.
deleting, and so on. This is the context of the management.
Trial version.
When we say file, it's a resource. A Word file,
Trial version.
text file means it's a file. An Excel spreadsheet,
Trial
a
version.
table means of some numbers and calculations, it's a file.
Trial
An
version.
image, it's a file. A video, it's a file.
Trial
An
version.
audio, let's say a snapshot, like the
Trial
ones we
version.
send in WhatsApp and receive in WhatsApp. It's a file.
Trial version.
So all of those variety of files, we may do a
Trial
management to
version.
them on a computer using dedicated software
Trial
applications.
version.
And let's mean management here. All the tasks you can do on,
Trial
on such a
version.
file. To open, only to, for example, when we talk about the audio
Trial version.
we share in WhatsApp, can we open it on a computer? Yes. Open it and playing it,
Trial version.
playing that audio. It's a management because it
Trial
needs certain
version.
software application. Without the media player or something,
Trial version.
actually one of the versions of the media players, you cannot play the audio.
Trial version.
Yeah, it's a voice. It needs a driver in a computer. So there have to be a reader.
Trial version.
Reading is a software application, it's utility to read that audio.
Trial version.
So all the activities you may do on a given file or a given resource,
Trial
it's a
version.
context of management.
Trial version.
There is one utility available in the Windows Server.
Trial
Sorry,
version.
not Windows Server. The list of operating systems from the Microsoft, the Windows list.
Trial
At the
version.
date of the book, it's the Windows 8, the latest operating system that the Microsoft has brought at that time.
Trial version.
This file actually processor is the File Explorer.
Trial version.
The File Explorer is a context of
Trial version.
server directories and repositories inside your computer in a
Trial
hierarchical
version.
way. File Explorer is to explore
Trial
the
version.
resources inside the operating system.
Trial
Using
version.
what? A File Explorer. The File Explorer is a sort of
Trial
displaying
version.
the resources, which are the files, in a
Trial
hierarchical
version.
view, no more, no less.
Trial version.
And this is an example of File Explorer. Because we have
Trial version.
a left pane from which we
Trial
can
version.
explore actually each single entry.
Trial version.
Left of it there is a plus. You can click that plus and you see the contents
Trial
inside.
version.
So it helps us to see the thing in a hierarchical way.
Trial
Hierarchical
version.
mode. Using a File Explorer. This is a File Explorer.
Trial version. Trial version.
Actually sharing
Trial version.
resources, it is one of the tasks that we have to do and we have to think of. And the
Trial version.
Microsoft, actually, Microsoft list of operating system, Microsoft itself has
Trial version.
a sort of cloud environment, which is on the internet storage
Trial
space
version.
that you can put your resources there, and you store and you share them
Trial
with everybody.
version.
You can use them for yourself, or you can share them with
Trial
other parties.
version.
You have a file in your computer. You can
Trial
upload it
version.
to a cloud environment like the one Microsoft provides, which is the Azure.
Trial
See
version.
this blue, this here, this icon is the indicator
Trial
of
version.
the Microsoft Drive. Regardless,
Trial
you
version.
have to know that the cloud is sort of a computer network that has some specificities like the disaster
Trial
recovery,
version.
the fault tolerance, the high availability. It is a sort of
Trial version.
performance network. It's a
Trial
network with
version.
a high potential when comparing it to a habitual and
Trial version.
current computer network. If you share a file, you'll find it
Trial
everywhere.
version.
And if you think that you are going
Trial
to lose
version.
it and local on cloud, it will not be lost because
Trial
there
version.
is something related to disaster recovery and fault
Trial
tolerance.
version.
The system will correct himself and he will bring you the file again,
Trial
whatever the
version.
situation is. I can use the word whatever.
Trial version.
The Microsoft actually,
Trial version.
it's not the unique cloud provider because we can see other
Trial
other
version.
cloud providers like the Google. The
Trial
slides you are
version.
seeing now, they are in the Google platform only. This interface I'm sharing with you now,
Trial
it is from
version.
the Google, it is provided by the Google Slides. So I'm sharing you a serves from
Trial
the cloud
version.
only.
Trial version.
Okay, any questions, please? Any requests?
Trial version. Trial version.
Okay, great. Actually, I'll stop the recording, and if you hear your name, please say yes. I'm going to
Trial
make the
version.
attendance.